Want to improve your Chinese reading comprehension and speaking skills quickly? Become a Read, Practice, and Improve club member to instantly unlock our entire online library of leveled stories from HSK 1 to HSK 6. Our stories are short and fun and cover a range of topics. Every story comes with an ebook that includes 3 versions of the story: Chinese characters only, Chinese with pinyin, and Chinese with English translation. There's also a list of new vocabulary to help you better understand the story. And there are different types of questions with answers to help you practice and improve your reading comprehension. In addition, every story also includes an activity book with questions that are designed to help you improve your speaking skills. Wait, there's more! Every story comes with an audio file that reads the story at a natural speed, and that is exclusive to our club members. Don't wait! Join now to take your Chinese to the next level even faster with a fun and enjoyable learning method. Go to allanguagecafe.com/read, READ, to sign up or click the link in the description. See you there!